Hello everyone, Scary Skeleton Reactor here, bringing to you yet another reaction video. First of all, I want to thank you guys so much because we have hit 300 subscribers today. Yes, we did, right here on my main channel. 300 subscribers. That is just mind-boggling. And I want to thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys gave me throughout the years, and yeah, I can't believe it. 300 subscribers. Wow. Yeah, thank you guys so much. So, to celebrate this, I'm going to be doing a two-part special. Yeah, this is going to be part one that I'm going to be reacting to one of my old reactions, and the second part would be the Q&A. So, if you guys have questions for me for my Q&A, please post them in the comments right here under this video only. So, yeah. I would like all the questions for the Q&A be down in the description of this video only. So, if you guys have questions, please post them down here in the comments. So, anyways, for part one, I'm going to be reacting to one of my old reactions. Reaction number 16, Optiprimus searches for the Rubik's Cube. Now this has been requested by Joker. And yeah. And yeah, he was making a little bit of jokes here and there about the YouTube poop, about the prune juice. Yeah. Oh, Joker, you really make me laugh. Anyways, so yeah. This is definitely a first for me. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah. It's gonna be a little awkward, I must say. Man. Anyways, so, yeah, let's get right into it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Actually, I'm gonna let you take over this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Before time began, there was time.
Run!
Before time began, there was the Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube?
We know
Yep.
where it comes from. We only know that Illinois is possible. And so began the war. A war that ravaged our planet until Megatron consumed the languages and destroyed Megatron's
eBay? I know, it's interesting to destroy eBay.
Message of the Rubik's Cube.
Search
Search to an unknown planet called Earth.
Alright. Yeah, the very first Transformers YouTube poop. Searches for the Rubik's Cube. No. What?
I just can't wait till I'm on it for the first time.
eBay? What?
I'd say a solid B minus.
B minus?
A B minus. You were crap.
Hey, that's decent. Come on, a B minus. That sounds decent. Of course. I'd take B minus any day. Why not just take the B minus and get it over with? I say take the B minus. There you go. Bernie Mac. Oh, God rest his soul. So funny. So weird laughing at myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, Secretary of Defense. Please be seated. Please be seated.
No one's even bothered.
Why you're here. Not sure exactly why you're here.
What?
Sure, help you find out why you're here. The only
They
thing
need.
so far.
He needs their help to find out why they're there. That's pretty awesome, by the way.
It is.
The Matrix.
This is my private area. My
Anthony Anderson. What? Who said shut up to their grandma for? The chicken dance.
Can't go wrong with the chicken dance.
There's that song again. Why is he telling his grandma to shut up for? Fruit juice. First we went from shut up grandma to fruit juice.
Yeah.
Tastes like chloride. So, where's mother? Why? Get out the car. Ouch. That's gonna hurt.
Of course that's gotta hurt.
My name is Optiprimus.
Optimus Prime.
We are autonomous robotic organs, but you can call us Autobots for short. We are from the big tribe. We
What?
are from Star Wars.
Star Wars?
Destination Ironhide. Sorry, my bad. Destination Jazz. We've learned Earth's languages to eBay.
eBay?
My weapons specialist Bumblebee. Sorry, my bad. Specialist
How did you mess up his name?
Lucky.
Oscar.
Just kidding.
You already know Ratchet.
No.
Sorry, my bad.
How many times is Optimus Prime gonna say sorry, my bad?
Because he really means it.
Destroy the female? Oh my god, that's bad.
You already know
It is.
We are here looking for the Rubik's Cube. The coordinates to the cube's location on Earth were imprinted on his glasses.
On his glasses?
eBay.
Obviously eBay.
Yeah, obviously.
Really? There's still food on the plate. So much shut-ups in here. How many times am I...
Exactly. I myself lost count.
Oh, how many times is he gonna keep answering the door? If I were him, I'd stop answering the door. Oh my god. Fish? The fish cups. Obviously, call the fish clubs because something fishy is going on.
I bought a car. Forgot to be in a car.
What?
Oh no.
The code on these glasses indicates the Rubik's Cube is 230,000 miles from here. I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to make with the Ratchet.
Oh my god. Really?
Bumblebee fails at life. We must leave Bumblebee behind.
Leave Bumblebee behind?
Roll out.
Well, I guess Bumblebee is the second
just
strongest.
Bumblebee is now coming with them.
It's classified above top secret.
I love this song.
So do I.
Yeah, that's for all the haters of this song who don't like Never Gonna Give You Up. This is my favorite song.
You tell that to FBE. Anyone who took part in the College Kids Try Not to Get Mad challenge. You tell them that.
Oh my god.
Transmit a tone through the radio. With consent. Use time and use this to transmit it through that. With consent.
Bro, Jones.
I'm going with the fruit juice. I work to. Did he say I work to or I want to?
Yeah, you are losing it.
Matrix Revolution.
I'm never giving you this all stuff. Why, Mr. Anderson? Why?
That's from Spider-Man 2. Is he playing what?
Risk your chest to protect Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
This all stuff. This is crap.
If I cannot eat Megatron, I must push the cube into your chest. I will sacrifice you to destroy it.
Pizza time.
Pizza time?
Yeah, so much references to Spider-Man 2.
How many times is he gonna say sorry, my bad?
Yes, I get it. You lost count.
With a Rubik's Cube gone, we cannot return eBay to our planet.
Eep.
We failed. I am Optiprimus, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. The humans have eBay.
The humans have eBay.
Yeah, of course.
Directed by Michael Bay.
People love up the city.
What?
Paying those video games.
Oh, the grandma.
Everybody got time for that.
Oh my goodness. That was way too funny.
You said it, buddy.
Oh man. Except I keep hearing shut up and sorry, my bad.
That's a pretty
That's
good
the
voice
phrase
impression
I
there.
kept hearing throughout the whole YouTube poop. Sorry, my bad. Shut up and fruit juice. Oh man, that was really hilarious.
It is, yes.
All right, that
Even
was
to this day.
Optiprimus searches for the Rubik's Cube, and this was way too funny. And thanks for requesting this, Joshua Willis and Bloody Simpson Shy By. Man, that was hilarious. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do for the day. I mean, I did 3 for my second channel and this one here for my main channel. So, 4 videos in one day. I mean, it's not.
Yeah, keep on doing what you're doing, and
It's pretty much the best
yeah,
thing to do.
you'll probably make it to
Anyways,
200 by the
thank
end
you
of
guys
next
for
year.
watching this reaction video. You know the drill. Please like, please subscribe. If you guys have requests, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next reaction video. And please do not hate on Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up. That song is a classic. Peace.
Yeah. Direct message to FBE. Anyone who fails the Try Not to Get Mad challenge, those who failed on that song. well, that was my reaction to reaction number 16, Optiprimus searches for the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, it was definitely awkward reacting to myself. But, yeah, thank you so much for the suggestion, Joker. Yeah, that was so funny. And I still keep looking over at your comments and poking fun with the prune juice. Yeah, that is so funny. Oh man, really tickled my funny bone on that. You really did. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the end of part 1 of 300 sub special. Part 2 will be coming up. Hopefully by tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Tomorrow or Friday will be the Q&A. So please, if you have questions that you want me to answer for part 2, for the Q&A, please comment below under this video only. I will get right to it. And yeah, 300 subscribers. I never thought this day would come. Never thought. Never ever thought it would happen. I mean, for me, 100 subscribers alone was an accomplishment, but 300? Wow. That is so much love. That is so much love from you guys. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the end of part 1 of 300 sub special. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Please like, please subscribe. If you guys have requests, comment down below. Also for questions for the Q&A, please comment down below under this video only. Thank you so much again for 300 subscribers. And I'll see you guys for part 2 of 300 sub special Q&A. Peace.